Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 7 Atoms, Molecules and Chemical Reaction of 9th class. Within this session, now we are going to discuss about a new theory. The theory is Dalton atomic theory. Now we are going to discuss this particular theory. Before that, what we have studied, let me recapitulate, that is law of conservation of mass we have studied, as well as law of definite proportion or constant proportion we have studied. In 18th century, early in 18th century, many scientists would like to explain chemical reactions of elements by using some laws. Those laws are called as law of chemical combinations. That is, within the two laws will be the law of conservation of mass as well as law of constant proportion. Main thing is what? To explain why these particular laws are valid. And they would like to explain some more information about why elements cannot be combined of arbitrary proportional different elements with a different proportion. Why they are combining with constant proportion, but why they cannot be combined with arbitrary proportionals. This particular phenomena they would like to explain, but what happened? They could not give a clear justification in the early of 18th century by different scientists. Later on, one more scientist named called as Dalton, who is an English teacher, he proposed a theory. He proposed a basic theory. That theory is nothing but what? Nature of matter. Nature of matter, he proposed it up. To give this particular theory of nature of matter, he has taken two important reasons. Two important reasons he has taken to explain the nature of matter. First reason is, if mass is to be conserved means what here is protected. Mass has to be protected, then all the element must be made up of extremely small particles. If matter has to be conserved, to be protected, then all the elements must be made up of extremely small particles. That was the first point he has taken to explain the nature of matter. Later on, if the law of constant proportion to be followed, means what? Based upon law of chemical combination, in which law of conservation of mass. First point will give about law of conservation of mass. Second point is about with constant proportion. If they have to be combined, then particles of same substances cannot be combined with different elements. They cannot be combined with a different element. Based upon these two reasons, a new era of thinking came into existence for Sir Dalton. A new system of chemical philosophy came into exist, which was given by whom there? Sir Dalton, who proposed a theory. That theory is called as Dalton atomic theory. And within that particular theory, he has given certain postulates. 6 postulates he has given there. to explain the nature of matter based upon two laws, law of conservation of mass as well as proportion, a new era of system of chemical philosophy he created, and he framed certain postulates. First postulate what he has taken there, and he is discussing about nature of matter. Matter is made up of indivisible tiny particles called as atom. Whereas A plus term, if I am taking there, term means called as a divisibility. A indicates what? Reciprocal of term, we can give it up. Therefore, indivisibility, we can call it up atoms. Matter is composed of indivisible tiny particles called as atoms. That was the first point he has given there. Second point, based upon law of conservation of mass. In a chemical reaction, atoms in a chemical reaction, mass is neither created nor destroyed. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed, but they can be reappear in another form. That particular phenomena as framed in the form of second postulates. Third postulate, what he has given there, atoms of same elements, if I am taking it up. Same elements, if I am taking it up, that same elements will have same, that is identical mass as well as chemical properties will be existing. Identical mass will be there as well as identical chemical properties will be existing if I consider atoms of same elements. That is the third postulate given by whom there is a third one there. Coming to the fourth postulate, if I am taking atoms of different elements, if they are combining, then they possess different masses with different chemical properties. With the different masses, they will be existing simultaneously. Different chemical properties will be existing, which explains about what fourth postulate, atoms of different elements will have different in the mass as well as different in what we can call their chemical properties. We can give it up. Next one is what? Mixture of different elements to form compounds. Two or more elements combining to form compounds, such as copper carbonate. Example, copper oxide, you can take it up here. Oxygen molecule, hydrogen molecule. Example, same elements, oxygen, same mass, same chemical properties combining to form oxygen molecule. Hydrogen, same molecule form hydrogen molecule. Different means what? Copper plus oxygen, if they are combining together, they combine with a different ratio. Carbon monoxide, if I am taking it up. Similarly, calcium oxide, if I am taking it up, we can get different products of different mass and different chemical properties. Compound means what? Two or more elements combining. More than two elements if they are combining. Different elements will combine with the simple whole number ratio. With the simple whole number ratio, compound they will be get combined. Different elements will be get combining. What are those different elements? More than two elements. Two or more elements combined with a simple whole number ratio, they will be get mixed up and form different types of compounds. That is, when atoms of different elements combine in different whole ratio, different compounds can be get formed, such as cupric copper carbonate is one compound, copper plus carbon plus oxygen. Similarly, calcium carbonate, if I am taking calcium plus carbon plus oxygen. And take it up sodium carbonate, if I am taking Na2CO3, sodium plus carbon plus oxygen. In that particular way, different elements with a different fixed ratio of what? Whole number ratio, they are combining together with certain percentage and forming different types of compounds. These are the 6 postulates. Was performed as a Dalton to give a basic theory called as, to explain the basic theory called as nature of matter by utilizing two different reasons, that is law of conservation of mass as well as law of definite proportion. This is the theory. This theory could be called as what? Dalton atomic theory, which make a new era of chemical philosophy came into exist. By this we have completed Dalton atomic theory, children. Try to analyze this particular concept by watching number of times and gain knowledge. Thank you, children.